size 3 follows for 41%. For breakdown per type of wire, AB type has the highest contribution, which is 55%, followed by ABS type, 45%. For breakdown per ship, ship 1 contributes the highest, which is 53%, followed by ship 2, 47%. And for employee status, the regular contributes the highest, which is 53%, followed by the fixed term, 41%, and lastly, the casual, 5%.
Short strand is our top priority because this is the most significant defect.
Have you seen short strands?
Do you know what is short strand? What does it look like? Just look at it. Well, you cannot see the strand on upper bell mount, and this is the good one. No short strand, and the free condition of terminal is good.
Process flow, status large wire.
Hindi ang nabasa kay Diamond na pedalan.
Wire start from IWC, then goes to the status wire splitting, then process the printing, followed by inspection, then goes to the fixed wire, and the last process is the assembly section. This is the process where the defect occurs.
What do you think is the possible cause?
Possible cause? No good setting of our terminal, that's why the defect occurred.
Probably you are right. And let us talk the impact loss.
Impact in lost item. On our loss, 1,980 minutes. For 1 year, 23,760 minutes. Material cost of defect, 402 pesos. For 1 year, 4,835 pesos. Man-hour paid loss, 1,784 pesos. For 1 year, 21,411 pesos. Output loss, 31,428 pieces. For 1 year, 377 and 136 pieces. Efficiency loss, 99.9%. For 1 year, 99.9%. Material wastage, 53 pieces LFL terminal. For 1 year, 1,188 pieces. Target setting. For the month of February 2011, 80% reduction.
Problem statement. Occurrence of short strand, which is 99 pieces or 43% on ACM core machine from September to October 2010 at miscellaneous large wire unit. Our objective, 80% reduction of in-process defect, which is short strands at miscellaneous large wire by February 2011.
This is the analysis of root causes. This is the fishbone of analysis of short strand. The first factor is machine.
Bangus.
No guide work strands. The
Makalinis
second
na yun eh.
factor
Dili
is
kay Violet.
low awareness. The third factor is none again. No outside middle inspection. And the fourth method is operator is start the process of big wire size.
Cause verification.
4M.
Men.
Probable cause.
Low awareness.
Controllability.
Controllable.
Verification method.
Monitoring on operator during process. Monitoring on operator during process. The operator is not checking the proper setting of wire or terminal because she's hurrying to target the output. However, she encountered defect.
Si Mate. Kita tatawa. Kasi umali.
Findings.
Operator is in a hurry because she's prioritized the output.
And this is true or false. 4M.
Machine.
Probable cause.
No guide for strand.
Controllability.
Controllable.
Verification method.
Actual checking of needed ILFS and monitoring during printing. See that operator is estimating on setting of wire on terminal. No guide for wire.
findings.
No guide for wire on mini-die LFL, and operator is estimating on setting of wire on terminal.
And this is
True cost!